Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, this is no longer my tiny garage. We got a space to work now finally. So we're gonna dive in and take care of all this stuff that I've been wanting to take care of. Mainly surface rust and knock that out of the park. Oh, I got a fixture right here that I'm supposed to hang up, but it's kind of heavy. I might not even end up putting it up. All right, and there's the bumper. In good condition still. I think I've had this redone like twice. I broke this bumper like twice. But that's fiberglass for you. The fuck is this? No, I don't know. All right. Well, we got the front exposed, and this is the kind of stuff right here that I dislike. Like that surface rust right there. We're gonna take care of all that stuff. And you know what? I might even just do the whole front end. All right, so we're gonna start taking off the fenders. Gotta make sure we take off those little bolts that are right there, and then we'll take the side skirts after. Yikes. All right, so the side skirts are off, the fenders are off. As you can see, we have some surface rust. Typical JDM car issues, but we're gonna address it, and it's gonna look a whole lot better. Yep, take a look at it, because it ain't gonna look the same. Alright guys, so here's another day. Here's all the parts that I took off. I ended up taking off the rear bumper as well, and the intercooler, but I gotta fix all this shit, make it look nice. Maybe hang a banner up there, but Today, we are getting the car sandblasted. Alright, so this is you, right? And the guy she tells you not to worry about. You know what, guys, just looking at it, I think I might just do this whole engine bay. Even pull the motor out. Who knows? I don't know. Am I doing too much? So I sprayed some primer on the metal. And in the rear. Looks so much cleaner. So yeah, guys, I kind of just pulled the engine out. Fuck it. Let's do it. Go big, go home. Let's do it all. Before I loosen any bolt, I'm going to spray the shit out of them with this. Before I disassemble everything, I'm going to go through it with my little blower and clean up any leftover sand, dust that was left over from it getting sandblasted. Going to clean it up and pimp this block out. Alright, guys, so I finally removed the intake side. We're progressing. I'll probably end up taking the turbo later, but I want to hit this engine bay. Yep. There's the intake. Clutch. Fan clutch. So, I'm going to document all these wiring and where everything was its position, so I don't forget. Because, you know, once you start taking one thing off, you get carried away and you forget where stuff goes. Make sure you record before you take off anything. Little tip. Like all this stuff, make sure you remember where it goes to, where it went, where it was grounded. Yeah. So then I can take this stuff off and start sanding down the engine bay and getting it ready for paint. Prepping time, you know? That's the fun part of this game. Anybody can paint, but it's all about your prep. Remember that one. Oh shit. Yeah, all this stuff. I hope I don't. Yeah. The wet sand, yeah.
Two days later.
Alright, finally done prepping, masking. It's time for